To load an EAW GreyBox setting into a Powersoft DSP equipped K-Series or Duecanali amplifier, you first have to get the plug-in software, which is called the GreyBox plugin for Armonía. Once you do that and install it, Armonía will recognize it and put this icon on the film strip ribbon here at the top of the screen. Once pressed, I now get a GreyBox place to put in the preset. If I hit add all my amplifiers from my workspace will then fall into this. The amplifier I want to put in the GreyBox setting is this 03583 amplifier. So I need to find the file I would like to put into that. I have the GreyBox settings here. I will load a microwedge 12 white, and I will pick the leg accordingly. Low frequency on channel 1 and high frequency on channel 2. I will hit apply. No changes. Do I really want the device to go? The next proper thing to do is to go into the amplifier, and if I go into output EQ, you'll see it's pretty well locked up. If I go into the limiter settings, they are locked up as well. I recommend going to the preset page and then calling it a preset in the amplifier immediately. I can put that setting on the slot number 2, microwedge 12, hit save. You'll see the upper current preset change to microwedge 12, and it is done. If I would like to change this back to a default amplifier, probably the easiest way is to go to View, Models, pick a K10 DSP, which that amplifier is, put it on the workspace, close the models. I then would highlight it, right click, hit copy, go over my K10, hit paste, and it overrode the current settings. I could then delete my offline unit, go into my K10, and you'll see it didn't overwrite the presets, but I now have full access again to my limiters. It reset the entire amplifier. And again, I recommend going back to presets, maybe taking slot number 1 and calling it default, hitting save, and I just loaded a GreyBox setting, and I just blanked the GreyBox setting.